Buenas! I hope everyone is well and keeping safe. Arthur and I recently went on a quick getaway all the way up to the north, all the way to Lake District. We took advantage of the half term just to for a few days all the way to north. Even though we wanted just to enjoy and relax, we didn't really focus on YouTube, but we also wanted to just leave you um, just a few shots of what we saw. And all I can say, guys, is absolutely stunning. So, ready for this? Let's start. Once we arrived to our destination, quite late at night, room was okay, quite decent, small but decent. The bathroom was absolutely clean, as you can see here, and the mirror was amazing. As you can see, Arthur loved the mirror. But one of the best things the hotel had was the views for the breakfast, and of course the breakfast. Arthur and I haven't been to a hotel for a very long time, and we really enjoyed a big breakfast just before the journey. I've just seen it. One of the first things we did was rowing boat. We found out that we did it. It was a little bit unexpected, but that wasn't that long. We went straight to the hiking. As you can see, Lake District is loaded with mountains. There are 1,000 different mountains, all them super high. And yeah, it was all about walking and hiking. I have to admit that the views just at the beginning of it already left me speechless, or I would say left us speechless. Yeah. It's just an amazing place, and you can't get bored there. There's no way you can get bored. But yeah, get ready for the hiking. Make sure you wear good shoes, good hiking boots. Second day into our Lake District trip, and after the long hiking yesterday, we could feel our legs, but that didn't stop to keep going high into the mountain. We were looking for caves at that point, and you'll see in a few seconds, we found a couple of them. The first one was this one. It was stunning. So as soon as you got inside, it was cool. The temperature was so cool. It was very big. It was enormous inside, and yeah, really good experience to live. visited the waterfalls, caves, long hikings, and amazing and stunning views, we had to say goodbye to our getaway. But not before looking at this sunset. Look at this, guys. That was the last night we stayed there, and wow, nothing to say. There's not one single word we can say. Just enjoy the views, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. We just really wanted to just enjoy the trip, and that's it. But also showing you a little bit of this. All right, that's all for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.